Hi everyone, this is Carlos Bravo from the cloud team at Canonical. In this video I'm going to show you how to launch different Ubuntu Pro versions that are not listed on the quick launch menu in the EC2 web console. Why is this important? It's because when you are launching an instance and you click on the Ubuntu family, you will see that the drop-down menu opens with many Ubuntu server versions and different variants, even the deep learning AMI. But when it comes to Ubuntu Pro, you will see that we only have the latest 2 LTS, and Ubuntu Pro covers more than that. Ubuntu Pro comes with 10 years of support of the operating system, so we have also 2204 Jammy, Jellyfish, and 2004 also here. So if you want to launch a version that is not here, best option is to go to our official documentation. It is called Find Ubuntu Images on AWS on our Ubuntu documentation. And if you scroll down, you will see that we have documentation covering EC2 and EKS for your worker nodes as well. So click here on the drop-down menu, we will get Pro Server, but we want Jammy, right? Or even if you want Focal, it's there, okay? And you can choose between AMD 64 and ARM 64, which is for Graviton. We're gonna copy this command. And this is the interesting part, is that you can open a CloudShell environment and paste your command here. We got an AMI that we are going to copy here, and now you can go to the side menu under AMI public images, paste your image. We have the image here. You can see that is exactly what we're looking for. Launch it, and now we're back to the same console where you can configure your instance. So this is my Ubuntu server 2204, and the rest is everything you already know: network, security, storage, and so on. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.